Always remember to check DSSSM, doors, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirrors. Doors. Close the door properly to avoid disqualification during the examination. Seat. Adjust the seat to your comfortable position. Steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to your comfortable height. Hold the steering wheel firmly to detect your fingerprints. Seatbelt. Buckle up the seatbelt to avoid disqualification from the test. Mirrors. Adjust the mirrors to clearly see the rear and side views. Show thumbs up in the right camera when you are ready. Examination will begin. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Prepare, observe, and check all sides before you begin the parking maneuvers. Release the handbrake. Reverse slowly while checking behind. TA Parking Test 5, Slope Test. You have 90 seconds to complete the slope test. Stop the vehicle between the yellow and white line. And pull the handbrake immediately. For manual transmission, ensure to balance the clutch and accelerator. Maintain the speed up to 1500 RPM. Pull down the handbrake while moving uphill. Automatic transmission. Accelerate up to 1500 RPM. Pull down the handbrake while moving uphill. Control the speed when driving downhill while processing for the next maneuver. Slope test tip 1. Do not accelerate more than 3000 RPM, as the increased speed will crash the brake pedal and the vehicle will stop and start rolling backwards. In this situation, immediately pull the handbrake to stop the vehicle. Slope test tip 2. Control the speed when driving downhill. Increasing the speed above 3000 RPM will immediately stop the vehicle and disqualification will apply. How to restart the engine on automatic transmission vehicle. Step 1. Shift to neutral gear mode. Step 2. Switch on the engine. Step 3. Shift to drive gear or first gear to move the vehicle. Slope test tip 3. Balance the accelerator and clutch to avoid engine stall. Slope test tip 4. Do not touch the white line or yellow line. Slope test tip 5. Do not roll back 30 centimeters or more. Carefully park the vehicle to complete RTA Smart Yard parking test. Step 1. Apply the handbrake. Step 2. Shift the gear to neutral for manual and parking for automatic transmission. Step 3. Remove the seatbelt. Step 4. Open the door. Collect the test result inside the waiting area.